Hi, how to get the latest year sales file name. So we have a list here. It consists of, well, you can do a sorting. Maybe we can do a sorting. Let's see where we can do that. Oh, you can't do a sorting. And so, well, one way is that you can do this. You have to go to the very bottom. That should be the one, okay? Yeah. So that's one way. You want to click on this thing, and if the value has changed, if the founding keep changing, uh, I mean, you read it from the folder and it keep changing. So then you have no control that the founding will always be that year of sales. Could be 2043, can be 2044, and so on. So how can you do this easier? How do you extract the numbers here? So if you extract numbers here, 2031, I think you can, because the flash fill will actually help you to do just that. Yeah, you can use the flash fill, right? Doesn't matter there. Does it do that? No, that's not the one. So we do have the flash fill. Oh yeah, there is. Here. No, that's the one. Where's the flash fill? Okay. Can I do that? No, cannot. Flash fill, yeah, there you are. Okay. Okay, and click on this one here, flash fill. Alright, you have the number here, 2039, and then you can say this is a year, and after that you select this term and choose the largest. Okay, 2042 looks like the biggest. Okay, so these are all manual steps that you can do. Okay, even the flash fill itself. But what if I say that your file name is, as I say, that it will change, right? It could be now change it to 47. So how do you know that this, in fact, the flash fill doesn't update as well? So no. So what if I say you that you can do it with just right click and refresh, and does it get it there? Oh, okay. So still, maybe I just want to delete this thing first. Okay, and go here, right click and choose refresh. And look at that. I got my latest 2047, and I'll just change it to, well, maybe I'll put 49. Okay, so you know now that, so we'll just right click here, refresh, and you got it done. See, 2049. Now, how do you solve that? Well, we create a Power Query, double click on it, and look at the code. And first we will add a column, add a custom column, double click on this, and you will need to use the list.form transform. We read from the inner until the end. So there is a value from text, and that is for every row, and then you have turn this from a text into a values, and then from here we check whether there's a number. So we actually basically read that, and then do a transform, turn this text dot to list to a list. Well, we'll read this one at a time, right? So kind of complex thing, but you can actually use this to achieve that, extract just the number. You go to rename here, you go to change type, and interesting that is that now how do you get the, from this do you have a number, but how do you get that largest number, right? You do a filtering. I don't know. If you do a filtering, you have a value like equals, greater than, but there is no largest. You can filter by the largest value. So a workaround is that you using this list.max to call it. Okay, just to give you a hint on how to use this. So I will record a more detailed video on this. Thanks for watching. And finally, you can close and load it. That's all. That's how you get the latest file. God bless you. God bless Asia.